So I'm now here at Lake Louise, and I'm gonna hike this big beehive and also the little beehive passing through Agnes Lake. Hope you enjoy the video. God bless. So I hike this 2-hour hike, the Big Beehive hike. You see here Lake Louise there, the chateau. It's worth the 2-hour hike, but I'm tired. Okay, so this is the top view of Agnes Lake. You could see the tea house there on your right there. Beehive now in Little Beehive passing through Agnes, and you could see here this is a top view of the Lake Louise.